Second figure, middle term, predicate position, both premises.
P. Some P. Some P is not.
Does it matter which premise we diagram first? No. Pick one. Let's do major premise first. So we check it at the same time. Some P is M. Some S is M. Done? Some P is M. Right? On that line. Anybody have that? Some S is M. Right on that line. Anybody have that? Both of them. Who? Nobody. One person. Two people. It's got to be more than that.
Mine were in 4 and 6, so I went on that.
I'll be sure and put some liners on the test then. Some S is not P. Do we have that indicated? No. We have an X in S. This one is inside of S. Just don't know if it's a P or not. That's what it means to be on that line of P. Don't know if it's in or out. That X is not even inside of S. It's not even an S. Or we're not sure if it is. 50-50. Yep.
Right now, the X goes inside like the number or like on the line.
Goes on the line when you have a choice of two segments. Like I just showed you. Did you understand when I...
Yeah.
See? They both, 4 and 5 are both in play. They both exist. It's got to go in that intersection of S and M. The intersection of S and M is composed of two existing segments. So it goes on the line that creates those two from the one on our two-circle diagram. Look. diagram that. While you're doing that, let me alert you to the following page. Page 220. Where do I place the X in a Venn diagram?
Okay.
Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's diagram our universal premise first. No P is M. Any questions about that? Okay, here's our same sum S is M premise where we had it on a line before. Does it go on a line?
No, it goes in 4, right?
It has to go in our segment B here, but B has been reduced to 4. You don't have a choice of 2 segments in which to put it anymore, as we did last time, right? We've already established there's nothing there. To put it on a line means maybe there is. That's a contradiction. They're not possible. So by placing it in segment 4, we have satisfied what's indicated by the premise. Sum S, sure it's inside of S. Is an M, sure it's inside of M. And there was never any choice about 2 places to put it. One more, and we're going to turn our attention to English language arguments, because it's the same thing over and over again. Try EEO4. You should have that for the argument structure. No P is M. Any suggestions? Cross that's 5 and 6. No M is S. Any suggestions? 4 and 5? Valid or invalid? Why?
Existential thoughts.
Well, what about all those S's in segment 1? They're not P's. Isn't anybody thinking that? Good, because you're not supposed to. I'm reminding you of something. The truth of a particular proposition, be it a premise or a conclusion, has to be indicated by the presence of an X in the appropriate place. You're not allowed to interpret this as being, hey, there are S's there. It doesn't say there are S's there. It's open for business. We need an X to indicate that there is an S for our conclusion. There isn't any. So yeah, that's invalid. What do you say, existential fallacy? That's one. Anything else? How about exclusive premises? That's two. Anything else? Middle term distributed, that is and that is. That's all. Satisfied? So I don't know, I think you have three, I'm not going to swear to it. I think you have three moods or figures on the test. Maybe four, I don't know. So you do this, just like we've done tonight and last week, and the week before. Yeah. So we're going to take a break. We'll have a look at some English language arguments. The beginning of the procedure is slightly different. Once you get it in the standard form, it's more of the same. So let's brush up on that.